Deep in the ocean's darkest corners, a creature has discovered the secret that humans have chased for millennia. Immortality. The ability to cheat death itself. And it's no bigger than your pinky fingernail. Scientists call it Turritopsis dohrnii, but its nickname tells you everything you need to know. The immortal jellyfish. While every other creature on Earth marches inevitably toward death, this tiny marvel has found a loophole in biology itself. When faced with starvation, injury, or even old age, this jellyfish doesn't die. Instead, it does something that should be impossible. It rewinds its own biological clock, transforming back into a baby, and starts its life all over again. But how does it work? And could this tiny creature hold the key to understanding aging in humans? Let's dive deeper. The immortal jellyfish begins its life like any other jellyfish, starting as a free-swimming larva called a planula. This larva settles on the ocean floor and transforms into a polyp, a stationary stage that looks like a tiny anemone attached to a rock. The polyp then produces tiny jellyfish through a process called budding, releasing miniature versions that mature into adult medusae. This is where the story usually ends for jellyfish. They grow, reproduce, and die. But Turritopsis dohrnii rewrites the rules. When this jellyfish faces life-threatening stress, whether it's injury, starvation, temperature shock, or simply old age, it initiates an extraordinary process. Its bell, the umbrella-shaped part of its body, begins to reabsorb back into itself, like a balloon slowly deflating. The jellyfish sinks to the ocean floor, and its cells begin a process that scientists call transdifferentiation. This is where the magic happens. Transdifferentiation means that specialized adult cells transform into completely different types of cells. Imagine if your skin cells could become brain cells, or your muscle cells could transform into heart tissue. That's essentially what's happening. Within just a few days, the dying jellyfish has completely reorganized itself into a polyp, the same form it had as a juvenile. From this polyp, new jellyfish will bud off, genetically identical to the original, essentially creating clones of its former self. This jellyfish can theoretically repeat this process indefinitely, making it biologically immortal. Of course, immortality doesn't mean invincibility. These jellyfish can still be eaten by predators or succumb to disease. But in laboratory conditions, scientists have observed the same individual jellyfish transforming back and forth multiple times without any sign of stopping. What makes this possible lies in the jellyfish's genetic code and cellular plasticity that most organisms lose as they mature. While most adult cells become locked into their specific roles, the immortal jellyfish retains the ability to reprogram its cellular identity. Researchers are now studying this creature intensely, hoping to unlock secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of aging, cancer, and regenerative medicine. The immortal jellyfish proves that biological immortality is not just theoretical. It exists right here on Earth, in one of the ocean's smallest inhabitants. The immortal jellyfish reminds us that the ocean still holds countless mysteries waiting to be discovered. Every dive into marine biology reveals creatures that challenge everything we thought we knew about life itself. If you're fascinated by the incredible adaptations of marine life, hit that subscribe button and join our community of ocean enthusiasts. Drop a comment below telling us which sea creature you'd like us to feature next. The ocean is vast, and we're just getting started. And if you want to support ocean research and conservation, check out the links in our description to organizations making a real difference. Remember, understanding these creatures is the first step toward protecting them and the oceans they call home. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of our blue planet. This is Zoology Insight, diving deep into the animal kingdom.